Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and straightforward tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete a site in Webflow. Maybe you've got a project that's no longer needed, or perhaps you want to tidy up your dashboard and remove some clutter. By the end of this video, you'll know the complete, accurate process to permanently delete a site from your Webflow account safely and with confidence. Now, before we begin, it's important to mention a quick note. To be able to delete a site in Webflow, you'll need to have an active paid site plan for that project, or you'll need to be added as an editor on a team with a paid plan. If those boxes are ticked, you're good to go. If not, double-check your plan status before moving forward. Alright, let's dive in. The first step is to access your Webflow dashboard. If you haven't already, log into your Webflow account. This dashboard is the home base for all your projects, sort of like the front desk of a hotel where you can see everything that's going on. Take a quick scan and find the specific site that you want to delete. If you've got a lot of projects, feel free to use the search bar or scroll through the list. Just be sure you've selected the right one, since we're about to remove it for good. Once you've spotted the site you want to say goodbye to, move your cursor over to the three little dots next to the project name. This is your menu for more options. Click on those dots and from the drop-down choose Settings. Think of this as stepping inside the control room for that specific project. Inside the project settings, you'll see several tabs and options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. Here, Webflow highlights a section called Danger Zone. The name is very fitting. Anything you do here will have a permanent effect on your project. Take a deep breath and don't worry. As long as you're deliberate with your choice, you'll be fine. In the danger zone, you'll spot the Delete Site button. Before you click on it, pause for a second and double-check that this is really the website you want to remove. When you're ready, click Delete Site. Webflow will bring up a confirmation prompt just to make sure this isn't an accident. Here, where it gets extra secure, they'll actually ask you to type in the site's name to confirm your decision. This is a built-in safety net, so you don't accidentally delete something important because of a slip of the mouse or a rushed click. Take your time, type out the website name exactly as it's shown, and then hit that final delete button. Just a heads up, once you do this, the process is irreversible. The site and any content within it will be gone permanently. Now, if you're just looking to archive the site, maybe for reference or in case you need to come back to it later, you can actually use the archive option instead of full deletion. While you're in site settings, look for the little archive icon clicking that has essentially the same function, giving you a bit of flexibility in how you manage your projects. That's all there is to it. Your site is now either archived or deleted, and your dashboard just got a little cleaner. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or you want to see more Webflow tips, drop a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.